Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the radiator in an Infiniti G37. First, always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns from hot coolant. Gather all your tools, including a large drain pan, a socket set, and various pliers. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery. Finally, use a jack and secure jack stands to safely lift the front of your vehicle, providing ample working space underneath. Now, let's drain the old coolant. Position a large drain pan directly under the radiator's drain plug. Open both the drain plug and the radiator cap to ensure a complete and steady flow of coolant. Once drained, carefully disconnect the upper and lower radiator hoses from their connections. Remember to also detach any electrical connectors or sensor wires that are directly attached to the radiator itself. With the coolant drained and hoses disconnected, it's time to remove the old radiator. First, detach the fan shroud and any cooling fans that are mounted to it. Next, locate and unbolt all the radiator mounting brackets and support bolts that secure it in place. Carefully lift the old radiator straight up and out of the engine bay. Take a moment to inspect the surrounding area for any other components that might need attention. Now let's install your new radiator. Carefully lower the new unit into its bay, ensuring it seats correctly. Reattach all the mounting brackets and bolts, securing it firmly in place. Don't forget to reattach the fan shroud and cooling fans. Reconnect both the upper and lower radiator hoses, ensuring they are tight. Finally, refill the system with the correct type and amount of new coolant, then bleed any trapped air.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.